Today, I want to show you how to draw a bird. Let's go together.
Right, everyone. Today, Vongchan gonna show you how to draw some birds. So today, mommy gonna help Vongchan to record the voice. Vongchan, do you have anything to say about your birds? Oh,
Yeah.
yes. What is it about? Right, you have your mouse or the bird. Wow, quickly you have 3 birds, right?
Yeah.
So, do you want to name those 3 birds?
Yeah.
What is it? Right. Now let's have the first bird color. What is your favorite colors? Is it yellows?
Rainbow.
Oh, you like rainbow, but this one you choose it to be yellow. That's why. Chat.
I see
Right?
it on the iPad.
Yeah, keep going. Vongchan is yellow. Going. Almost done. Almost done coloring. Good on you, Vongchan. Like more. Chat. Well done, Vongchan. Now your bird is yellow. Now Vongchan gonna show you another trick to draw a bird. If you struggling with drawing the head, you can use the cape, the round cape, so that your bird will have a very perfect round head. Now she added an eyes. Yeah, eyes on color.
We don't have eyelashes.
Oh, we don't have eyelash. Yeah, but don't need long eyelash.
What? And the part of body.
Oh, yeah, you start drawing the part of the body. What does it look like?
A bird. It's a bird.
Yeah, it's still a bird. And then you will add,
I want a famous bird.
yeah, legs.
The famous bird have hair.
It have, oh, you want your bird to have hair, fly.
No.
Wow,
I draw the
amazing.
down one.
Oh yeah, now you start another one. What will it look like? It should be an amazing bird coming around, playing with other birds, right?
Yeah, also mouth.
Yeah, you draw a mouse or the bird. This is a baby bird, I think.
No, the head is just squash.
Oh, squash. Keep coming.
The pumpkin squash her head.
Oh, yes. Oh, look at the big leg. Fine, look so good. And then we gonna have a branch of,
It's a tree.
yes, a branch
stick.
or a tree so that a bird, the little baby, can stand on it.
Look at the leaf.
Wow, amazing.
Look at leaf.
You're so creative, Vongchan.
Leaf.
Wow. Some leaf and some leaf and some leaf. Oh, so good. So what will come next, Vongchan?
The big bird.
The big bird. This is the daddy bird, I think.
No, it's daddy have big tummy inside.
Oh, yes, just a big.
And he's so fat.
He's so fat, yes.
With a
Good.
wing.
But still, he's a handsome bird.
You have bird.
Yes, a car.
Daddy.
Wow, so good. Look at the leg.
Look at daddy.
This is interesting.
Daddy foot like a dog.
Oh, say like that.
But I'm not saying him with animal.
Yes, this is interesting. When other bird you start with the head, but this one you start with the leg.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's
That's the head.
many, yeah, there are many ways to draw, right, Vongchan?
Look at it.
Yeah, look at that.
It's not an owl.
Oh yes, the daddy owl.
Nope. Owl can stay on a tree but cannot get down.
Wow, let's look at another one. So how many birds? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one gonna be the 7th bird.
So look at This.
Look at this bird. We have more birds. Yes, you are right. But this bird looks like a chicken, right?
Yeah, but it's not a chicken. It can fly.
Right?
Yeah. Why not? It just lays some egg.
Oh, yes, that's the job of the chicken to lay some eggs. So it's very busy, so that's why it doesn't fly often. But the
But
bird,
bird also lay egg.
yeah, but not many, and it's not that.
It's in the nest.
Oh, yes, you're right. I think this is the finished one, right? The small bird.
I think.
Chip, 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 chip.
No, it's not.
Not yet. The last one.
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh, chip, 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 chip. That's fine.
Because we have more space.
Alright, let's get some more. Chip, 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 chip. Can I play?
Look at the face. The have the hair. But
Oh,
I not
and
yet draw.
another one.
I not yet draw the have the hair.
Yeah. Oh, you have the bird that will have the hair.
Yeah, it's down here.
Uh-oh. This is a baby one again. I'm waiting to see the
This
one.
is the famous one.
Oh, yeah, I'm waiting to see it. I want to see how it looked like when the bird have the hair, Vongchan.
This is.
Oh,
It's you. That one is you.
me.
See, this one. That one. This one.
Just of course, thank you.
Cảm ơn mommy.
That's fine, yeah. Yeah. The hair is coming soon. You should have put the eyelash because mommy have like long eyelash.
No.
But that's fine.
See?
Oh.
The famous one.
Oh yes, because he's very unique. Oh, wow, amazing.
Not the last one.
Not quite yet. Friend, can you get how many birds? How many birds will Vongchan have on her picture? Let's count together at the end. What about?
I don't sure.
You are not sure, right? How many birds do you have? You just keep going on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Uh-oh, I don't think it's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
11?
6, 7, 8, 9 birds.
No.
Good on you.
11.
Good on you. Is it the last one?
I think.
Oh, you.
11, mommy. It's not 9.
Oh, yeah.